In this video, I am going to explain nomenclature of spirocyclic compounds. Here, spirocyclic compounds means, so when two rings are fused at one carbon are called as spirocyclic rings. When two rings, here you see these two rings are fused at one carbon, so that's why these are called as spirocyclic compounds. Okay, to give the name for the spirocyclic compounds, we have to use a prefix, that is spiro. It's a prefix spiro. Then in square bracket, here we have to start the numbering from, okay, smallest ring to the larger ring. In bicyclic compounds, larger ring to smaller ring. In spirocyclic compounds, smaller ring to larger ring. In this molecule, two rings are in same membered rings. So that's why from anywhere we can start after the spiro atom. This is called as spiro atom. Okay, after the spiro atom we can start numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here this side 2 carbons, here also 2 carbons, then bracket close, total number of carbons 5, that's a word root. Pent, this is a saturated one, that's why pentane. So what is the prefix we have to use? Spiro in brackets. Here 2 carbons, except this spiro atom, here 2 carbons, here 2 carbons, 2 comma 2, total 5 carbons, that's why pent, saturated, that's why N, okay, pentane, spiro 2.2 pentane. So let us see this example here. Two different membered rings are fused at one carbon. When two different rings are present, we have to start the numbering from smaller ring to the larger ring. Okay, after the spiro atom, okay, here we have to start the numbering 1, then 2, then 3, 4, or 4 this side, we can give 4, 5, 6. Okay, prefix spiro in square brackets. Here when two different rings are present, we have to go through, okay, ascending order. In bicyclic compounds we written descending order, here we have to write ascending order. Okay, here 2 carbons, 2 dot, here 1, 2, 3, 3 carbons, 2.3, total number of carbons 6, that's why hex is the root word, saturated, that's why N, spiro 2.3 hexane. Here what is the, remember you have to, what is you have to remember, okay, smaller ring to, okay, numbering we have to proceed from smaller ring to larger ring. So this you have to remember compulsory, smaller ring to larger ring. Next, in this molecule, here also two different membered rings are there. Okay, here this is a smaller ring, this is a larger ring, this is a spiro atom. Okay, at this point only two rings are fused. Then we have to start numbering from this carbon or this carbon. Okay, any of this carbon. Let's say 1, 2, 3, this is a 4, 5. Any of this carbon. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then write the name spiro brackets. Here small number of carbons, here less number of carbons, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, that's why 3 dot. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbons, ascending order we have to write. Okay, 3.4, total number of carbons 8, that's why root word oct, saturated, that's why N, spiro 3.4 octane. Next, in this molecule, here also two different rings are fused at one carbon, spiro atom. Okay, you have to start numbering from smaller ring, which is, okay, next to the spiro atom. Here we have to start numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here 9. Total 9 carbons are there. Then prefix is spiro in brackets. The 3 carbons in the smaller ring, 1, 2, 3, 3 dot, in the larger ring 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 carbons, 3.5. Okay, nonane. Okay, nonane. Total 9 carbon, that's a root word no, nonane. Okay. Next, the next example, let us see. Here also two different rings fused, and smaller ring contains one substituent, that is ethyl. Okay. So this is a spiroatom. From where we should start? From here or here? Okay, if you give numbering like this, ethyl should get the least number, substance should get the least number. That's a 1, then 2, then 3, 4. Okay, any of this carbon. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here one ethyl substituent is there, that's why we have to write before the spiro prefix. Then at which position? 1. 1 ethyl, spiro, in square brackets, smaller number to larger number. Here 2 carbons, that's why 2 dot, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 dot 5, total number of carbons 8. That's why oct, saturated, that's why ane, octane. Okay, clear? Next, in this example, so this is a spiroatom. We have to start numbering from smaller ring. And from where we should start? From here or here? From here we have to start because it contains substituents. That's why you have 1, 2, then 3. For okay, this carbon with 3, then 4 for which carbon? This carbon and this carbon. To this carbon we have to give 4 because this carbon, okay, having one substituent. That's why 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, at first position one substituent, at fourth position one substituent is there, and also between 5, 6 carbons one double bond is there. Okay, then we have to write first substituent names. This is 1 ethyl, this is 4 methyl. Okay, ethyl first according to alphabetical order, that's why 1 ethyl. Next 4 methyl. Okay, 1 ethyl, 4 methyl. Next spiro in square bracket. Okay, ascending order. Here 2 carbons, 2 dot, totally 5 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 dot 5. Okay. Next, total how many carbons are there? 8. That's why oct. Oct. Is it saturated or unsaturated? Unsaturated. Okay, unsaturation present at which position? 5th position. That's why oct 5 in. Okay, oct 5 in. 1 ethyl, 4 methyl, spiro 2.5 oct 5 in. Okay. Next example. So here, this is a smaller ring, this is a larger ring. We have to start numbering from smaller ring. Okay, here substituent is there, that's why this carbon should get 1. Okay, then 2, 3, 4, then 5 for which carbon? This carbon or this carbon? This carbon should get 5 because, okay, the CHO functional group is there. Functional group carbon should get, okay, functional group containing carbon should get least number. That's why we have to go through like this 5, 6, 7, 8. If you give numbering like this, what will happen here? 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? This functional group containing carbon gets 7 number. That's why we have to give like this. Okay? Least number should come. Okay, then substituent at which position? First position. 1 bromo. Prefix is spiro here. For spirocyclic compound, spiro in brackets. Less numbers 1, 2, 3. 3 dot. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons. 3 dot 4. So what is the root word here? 8 carbons are there. That's a root word oct. Saturated or unsaturated? Saturated. That's why ane, octane. At 6th position, aldehyde functional group is there. So when functional group carbon not included in the ring, then we have to use a special suffix, that is carbaldehyde for aldehyde functional group. That's why octane 6 carbaldehyde. Okay, 1 bromo, spiro 3.4 octane 6 carbaldehyde. Next, let us see next example. Here two similar rings are there. Similar membered rings are there. So this is a fused carbon, then we can also call spirocarbon. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, here's at this position substituent is there, that's why we given numbering like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 1 methyl, okay, 1 methyl spiro, in square bracket there are 1, 2, 3 carbons, there are also 3 carbons, 3.3, 1 methyl spiro, 3.3, total number of carbons 7, that's why hept, it is a saturated one, that's why heptane. 1 methyl spiro, 3.3 heptane. Okay, let us see some other examples of spirocyclic compounds, how to give nomenclature for that. Okay, let us discuss some more examples. Here in this molecule, 2 different member rings are there. So this is a spirocarbon. Okay, here numbering from smaller ring to larger ring. These are number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 6 number we have to give to this carbon because here unsaturated double bond is there. That's why 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, here at 8th position 2 substituent, 2 methyl groups are there. That's why 8, 8 dimethyl. Okay, for spirocyclic rings prefix is spiro, that's why spiro, in square bracket ascending order we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbons, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 carbons, 4.5. So what is the root word here? 10 carbon is there. Okay, that's why 10 carbons are there, that's why root word dec. Is it saturated or unsaturated? Unsaturated. Unsaturations present at first carbon and 6th carbon. That's why dec. Okay, 1, 6 diene. 1, 6 diene. Here what we have to remember is when more than one double bond is present, we have to use deca. Instead of dec, we have to use deca. That's why 8, 8 dimethyl spiro, 4.5 deca, 1, 6 diene is a name. Okay, let us see this example. Here 2 different member rings are fused at 1 carbon. So this is spirocarbon. Then we have to start the numbering from smaller ring to larger ring. 1, here 2, 3. Here unsaturation is there, that's why 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, at 6th position methyl substituent is there, that's why 6 methyl. Okay, then prefix spiro in square bracket. Here 2 carbons, that's why 2 dot, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 carbons, 2.5. Okay, what is the root word here? Total 8 carbons are there, that's why oct is the root word. Okay, then double bond at 4th position, that's why 4 in, and ketone functional group is there at 1st position, that's why 1 on. 6 methyl spiro, 2.5 oct, 4 in, 1 on. Okay, let us see this example. This is a 5 member ring, this is a 4 member ring. Okay, this is a spirocarbon, smaller ring to larger ring, we have to give the numbering. Then this carbon with substituent, that's why you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then if you give 5, 6, this OH gets 6 number. If you give 5, 6, gets 7. That's why we have to follow which path here? 4, 5, 6. So OH functional group should get least number. That's why here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 carbons are there. Then first position, Br is the substituent. That's why 1 bromo spiro. Okay, in square bracket, 3 carbons, 1, 2, 3. 3 dot, here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons. Okay, 3.4. Then what is the root word here? Oct, because 8 carbons are there. Oct, it is a saturated, that's why octane. Then at 6th carbon, OH functional group is there. That's why for OH, what is the secondary suffix? Ol, which is at which position? 6th. That's why 6 ol. 1 bromo spiro 3.4 octet 6 ol is the name. Let us see next example. Here this is a 3-membered ring, this one is 5-membered ring fused at 1 carbon, that is called spirocarbon. Even though this larger ring contains main functional group, we have to start numbering from smaller ring. 1, 2, 3, then 4 here, because this carbon with COOH functional group. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So here when 2 functional groups are present, then one functional group is we have to take as a substituent and one functional group as a main suffix. That's why here 5 hydroxy spiro, in square bracket here 2 carbons, that's why 2 dot here 1 2 3 4. Okay, total number of carbons 7, that's why hept. Saturated or unsaturated is a unsaturated, unsaturation, okay, between 1, 2 positions, that's why we have to write hept 1 in, and at 4th position COOH group is there, that's why 4 carboxylic acid. Why we are using carboxylic acid here? Because functional group carbon not included in the ring, that's why we are using 4 carboxylic acid. Okay, let us see this example, last example here. This is a spirocarbon, then here numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5 for which carbon? To this carbon, because it is its functional group. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then spiro brackets 1, 2, 3, 3 dot 1, 2, 3, 4, 3.4 ascending order. Okay. Then what is the root word here? Total 7 totally 8 carbons are there. That's why oct saturated. That's why N. Okay, at 5th position ketone functional group is there. That's why 5 on.